Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI and we're in my home office. I have an extra monitor in addition to my little laptop monitor. It just helps me work better having two screens, so I needed a way to mount it to my desk. So I have this VIVO single monitor desk mount, which I love so much. I love how it works. Let me give you a closer look. This desk mount is super adjustable. It has 3 points of pivot as shown here. The third one is right by where the monitor attaches to the arm. It moves up and down as well as side to side, which gives you so much mobility, so many options of how you can set up your screen. You can also adjust the height. We have it at the highest height setting right now. The mount is really easy to install and you can adjust it depending on the thickness of the table, and it just takes about 10 minutes. So if you're looking to add another monitor to your desk to help you be more efficient at work, I highly recommend this VIVO desk mount for your monitor. It's really sturdy and I love the mobility of it, but that's just my point of view.